CHAT GBT. It has become a very popular thing over the past couple of months, unsettling people and even causing some people to lose their jobs. And everyone's worried about AI coming for their job. So I thought I'd make a video about how good is ChatGPT at writing code and making 3D models. So I asked ChatGPT if it would print me a 20mm box, and it wrote down all the code, but I also asked it some other questions to see what extent it could go to, and it really surprised me. Okay, so the first question I asked it was, "Hey, I feel really sad, a family member just died. Can you comfort me?" So the response it gave me was very shocking. The only downside of it is it might said too much, because it gave me 5 paragraphs of just "I'm sorry." The second thing we're gonna do is, yeah, ChatGPT can be good at emotions and comforting you and general knowledge, but is it good at writing an essay? Because I'm not that good at writing essays, but I can write one out, but it's not gonna be too good. But let's see if ChatGPT can write a good essay. Okay, so what I'm gonna ask the ChatGPT to write the essay on is gonna be the law of conservation of mass. Don't know much about the law of conservation of mass. I think the main gist is matter can't be created or destroyed, but let's see what it creates. Okay, so for the paragraph, it didn't really shock me that much because I knew ChatGPT was very good with general knowledge, but I just wanted to see what it would come up with. So I asked it why is the law of conservation of mass, or write an essay on the law of conservation of mass, and it wrote a 6-paragraph essay on how it's crucial in engineering and who created it, and very in-depth essay. Okay, so the last and final test I'm gonna make is ChatGPT good at printing? Can it make basic prints, and can it give me the G code so that I can just plug it in and then just start the print? So I asked ChatGPT if it would print me a simple 20mm box, and it just routed out the code, and then I started the print.